Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create a simple digital clock in React. So let's get started. I am inside of my app component, and here first of all let's get the time in time variable as new date, and let's call the function toLocalTime string that date object has. Now let's print the time inside the JSX in the h1 tag, and let's go to our browser. So there you go, our time has been printed in the correct format. Now what we need is just to change the time every second, and for that we need to create a state that we can later change. But before that, let's style our app component inside app.css file. I will give my h1 a display flex, justify content center and align items center. And I will also set the background color into light green. And as I have imported app.css file inside app.js, I hope now it looks a little bit better than before. Now let's create a state variable called as current time, and let's give it an initial value of time that we have created above. After that, let's use the current time, which is a state variable, instead of time in the h1 tag, and with the help of setCurrentTime function we can update the time. So I will create a simple function called as updateTime, and inside this function I will set the current time with the time variable that we have created. After that I will use setInterval method, which is an asynchronous function that allows us to perform a task in a fixed interval of time. So I will pass my update function as the first argument to setInterval, and let's pass in 1000 as second argument, which means that I want to update the time in every 1 second, because 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. And now let's go to our browser, and there you go, we have fully working digital clock ready. So this was a mini project that we have created using React. We have learned how to update the time using setInterval method, and learned how to change our state in such a situation where we need to work with time. I hope you enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. For more videos like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon next to it so that you never miss our future videos, as it keeps me motivated to create more videos that could help you. Also, if you want the source code of React course and projects, you can get them on Patreon with as little amount as $2. The link to my Patreon page is given in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next time.